Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Not RV. On this week's episode, I want to show you guys a new product that I got from a company called Juggernaut, and it's these built-in, permanently mounted ratchet straps for your truck bed. Remember, if you want to learn more and make less mistakes while RVing, be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like and a comment down below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Now, as you can see, I actually have 4 of these. They're on all 4 corners of my bed. I got little covers on the other ones, but just to show you the one without a cover on it. And these are permanently mounted ratchet straps, so I can just throw anything into the bed. These are super maneuverable. They turn left, right, up, down, twist around, and they're very versatile. And it's really nice because, you know, whenever you're strapping something up, you got a ratchet on one side and you go to the other side and then it comes unhooked from the other side unless you have 2 people. It's a real pain in the butt. And anyway, so these have a nice little spring action to them. So whenever you stretch them out over something to hook it to the other side, it has a nice little spring to it. So it just automatically like retracts, and so it keeps a little tension on it so you can get it strapped in. All right, so they come in either single, double, or a 4-pack. Now I've already installed 2 of them, so I'm just going to show you guys how to install one of these because they're all the same. Very simple. They go on the top 2 hooks in all GM vehicles, so GMC, Chevy. Dodge has a different type of mount. Ford has a different type of mount. And again, they have videos on their website of how to install them. Very simple for all applications. And then the actual ratchet strap is all the same. It's just a different mounting bracket. These are made in the USA. They come with your little ear tab that sit inside the hook, and then your bolt that goes in and right into it. So very simple to install. All right, so all you're gonna do is take one of the mounting brackets, put it behind. Now, this truck has a very thick sprayed on bed liner, so these don't sit forward very well. But if you don't have a sprayed bed liner, these will kind of like click into place and kind of grab on. I have to just kind of hold them when I put the main ratchet strap up. You just kind of line up your holes, thread a bolt through, and tighten them up. Very simple. Now, the other really nice thing about these ratchet straps, of course, they're permanently mounted in your truck, so you can kind of just have them tucked out of the way. And again, so they pivot both left and right, up and down, and it also turns that way. So it doesn't matter what you got in here. It's a very versatile ratchet strap. Now let me just show you, just for example, once you have it hooked up, again, it's just on a spring. Once it's hooked up, you can engage the strap it in. Okay, so now it's tight, and then to release, you just push this all the way back down. That's it, very simple. Now, I've had these in the bed for about 2 months now, I think, coming up on, and I've used them a ton for couches, refrigerator, bunch of miscellaneous things. Can't think of everything off the top of my head right now. A lumber stack one time from going to Home Depot, and they've been great. I have absolutely loved them. Maybe I'll do a long-term review a year from now or 2 years from now to see how they hold up, but so far so good. We've been loving them. That's it for this week's video. Make sure to drop a like, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about anything that we did here. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Why Not RV. Bye.